we're out. We are back from our cross-country trip with the dogs. Hopefully you guys have seen that video. We have not fished in a long time. Bunny has not fished since April. I fished a couple times in North Carolina, but we have not been at the canals since like April. This is that side that we wanted to finish up last time, but there was homeless people living over here. So it's bright and early, about 7 something in the morning. It's only going to be 100 today, so this is one of our last chances because the 110 weather is coming by the end of this week. So alright, let's get thrown in here and see what we can get. Alright, you know the drill. We throw it out and see who wins the first throw. Whoever gets the best item. You ready? I'm gonna trip myself. 1.
You are gonna trip yourself. Look at it.
1, 2, 3. Oh look, we got a flowing river today. It's not so chocolate, but there definitely is some current in here. I'm not feeling anything. I just feel concrete. The bunny will probably beat me. She always does on the first throw. Oh, do we have something? Is that current? You see that shopping cart and tire are gone. I bet you somebody's threw them back in. Nada. Wow, that's a lot of rocks. Ooh.
And the screw is the winner.
Actually, that's a little tiny screwdriver, maybe. See, it's flat on the end. What else you got in here? Just a bunch of junk, little rocks. Okay. Well, something beats nothing. See a little something on there. You can feel it coming up the ledge there. You can feel the rebar under the concrete. Yeah, third throw's a charm. Little pole. That is nail. Look, you can see somebody's. Remember last time I told you somebody had been here before because there was piles of stuff around. Look at, you see the little crumbs and stuff. There's somebody left behind. Look at that, half of a, what do you call those medical things? Oh my god, you guys, my tennis elbow killed me. So I'm mostly throwing with my left hand. Oh, looks like Bunny got something. Ooh, got that. Put my foot on that. Rock. Can top. Let's see if I got something. Got some crusties. Is that a little tiny Allen wrench? No, it's not. It's like a hook. And a bottle cap. You want to guess?
Corona.
Oh, you got it. Not just Corona, extra Corona. Because we all need that. Got something else. Whew. Wow, that does look like a nail. What else?
And a fishing lure.
Oh yeah, it's like the...
And a battery.
Oops. And a battery?
Yeah. I think.
Yeah. When I go to see hers, mine just takes off down the chute. There really is no slow part. There's something on the underside. Oh, I got a poker chip. This is like the 3rd time we found a poker chip. They're magnetic, but they don't say anything on them. Somebody could draw our logo on there. I gotta keep my rope from flying away. Oh, look at there. O'Neill nose. Look at that, you guys. I don't want to try to open it or I'm going to get my hand stuck on the... Oh my god, and you caught a minnow. One of these. One of those. That looks like a metal turd. Look at that. I mean poo-poo for all you kids out there. You hear that? That's my alarm to get up. And I'm already out here. It's my alarm. 8 o'clock. We're already out. Yeah, one of our cats wakes us up at 5:30 religiously to go out. And if you don't let him out, then he's not going to leave you alone. So now I just wake up at 5:30, which turned out good today because, as y'all know, I go to bed at midnight. I'm not an early riser. One is a duck. The other looks like, I bet you money, it's that shopping cart thrown back in there. Clump of something hanging off there. Ooh, something long. Something long and something wiry. Piece of wire. Oh, you guys, this is killing me. Solid metal. One of those. One of those. Ooh, cut block. Some bits and bobs, as they say in the UK. Whew. One of those. Is that it? Wait. I thought I just had a rock, but this is metal. Look, looks like a crushed up, let's say cowbell, catfish bell or something. Where?
I just had it on mine, but
Oh, it's sunk. I think I just found part of a knife. Looks like a knife, you guys. Ooh, 2 points. 2 points in the book. I'm still looking for a cherry knife. All I still have is my handy fillet knife. Dull as all get out. Ooh. Oh, look. There's the other pair of those forceps that somebody left behind. Yes, I'll clean up after you, whoever you are. Lazy. Ooh, got quite a pile there.
should look at the canal clean out schedule.
Oh God, I hope they don't. They clean these canals out on a 10-year rotating basis. Area. The whole east side's already been done. That's why we don't go over there, because when we did, there's nothing to find. Alright, I got something. What is it? Wire. What is this? Ah, look at that. It looks like a face going, uh-oh. Twisted metal. Did you get anything?
Nail.
Nail. See something. Just a little spindly hook. Alright, I see something. Rusty crusties in there. What is this? Look at it. It's like a chain. Oh my God, I wonder if it's off a purse. And that's, you know, the only part I can get. Yeah, I thought door knocker, but maybe. Look at Bunny. It's like she's pulling in a whale. Oh, look! I got something. Look what I got. It's electric toothbrush. Look, Bunny. She's got a, looks like like a picture hanger. What'd you get? Oh, let me see. Oh, that's part of the tail. Look at that. Looks like a real fish. Jiggy, jiggy, jiggy. There's a little pile. I got right. Of course, we'll take the can. It looks like a little mini spray. Whew. Looks kind of like the top of one of those things you measure your tire pressure. More string. Sprayed can of something. Any idea what it is?
No, it's all been wiped off.
Anybody recognize this little blue can? Don't know. I think I found this surface find right here. The old Burt's Bees. Oh, this is a good one. Is this like the Fisher was getting? Look at that. Oh, I'm keeping that one. I forget what he called them. It's a rag something. I don't know. I don't remember. He caught like 50 of them. Doesn't have a lip right there. That's cool. It's like a tiger fish or something. There was something heavy out there I was stuck on. Pulled it a little bit, but it came off. So I ended up with this chunk of metal. It's pretty good. Listen. I like that sound. I was just trolling to come back and get my stuff. Look. That's pretty bad. It's like the bottom of a dart. We are getting some lures today. Nothing fancy like the Fisher got, but at least we're getting something. What do we got here? How do we get a piece of plastic? Well, it's barely magnetic because that little wheel. Now, bottle cap. Guess real quick. Coke. Nope, more Corona extras. Oh, got something. It's got threads on it. Oh, I just put that one. Big bolt thingy. Got some surface finds here. Pieces of worms. What's this thing with an S on it? Is that some kind of tobacco or something illegal, illicit, banned? Get it? Bunny had something pretty good on there. Here's some trash somebody left. I remember you caught some of these fake flowers on the other side. Take this string. Get rid of that. Okay. Boy, my arm is getting fried. I probably won't be able to move it tomorrow anyway because of my tennis elbow. Shouldn't even be doing this, but we just missed it. It's been so long. I'm gonna do it before it gets hot. Just thingamabob. Top to, looks like one of those bell jar silver lids. Bunny got her first can here. Alright, since she's not finding it, I'll tell you, she had a flashlight, but it came off and she can't find it now. What are you doing with that? Rinsing it? Look what I got back. When I threw my magnet, it hit the bucket, flipped that plant right back in the water. Come on now. There's string hooked on it. So it didn't want to come up. Oh, there's red line on it. What'd you get here, Bunny? Yeah, I think we all know what it is. +1. What is that? Is that like our third or fourth? It's probably got batteries in it. Okay. Bunny got a can and a bag. All right, I'm just gonna troll back up to the, oh, I got something right there. All right, I was dragging it. And a lid. That must be the can section. One hook, two hooks. Oh, now look what you started. The can rush. Ooh, I see a box.
Yeah, I might lose.
Oh, it's a purse. Let me get the hook. It's that bouncing that does it. All right. Ooh, they just poked it open with a knife. We got a mystery box. It's pretty squishy. Ooh. Any guesses? Drug stuff or empty? Oh, look. Oh my God, it's a phone. Is that a phone case? Why has it got that weird little hole cut in it? Ooh. Aw. All over my shoe.
Why you don't learn your lesson about opening things?
Well, you can only hold it so far. Oh my God, it kind of looks like a...
Oh, it looks like it could have been a phone holder with your cards and...
Not anymore. It looks like a homemade one because they cut the, probably where the camera goes. I've never seen anything like this. Reminds me of the manicure set, but yeah, I don't know why they cut that out. All right, mystery box on the way out. Got a security tag. I see a little something on here. Piece of a knife. That might be a knife blade. Something big. What the heck is it? Oh my God, is that a muffler? Is that a muffler pipe?
like it.
Biggest catch of the day. Oh, the crawdad just came out. Sorry, buddy. See, that's why you always check your pipes and stuff. Oh my God, did I get it?
Yeah.
I thought it was way down by the stairs. But how could it go upstream?
No, mine was bigger.
Oh, hers was bigger. Yeah.
No, where I got that was down there by the steps.
I know. So this is a totally different one. Cool. We're getting more going back to the car than we do coming the other direction. Got another wire. USB cable. Probably for phone or something. This must be your spot, Bunny. Ooh, there's something on it. Oh, good Lord. Can't believe I did that. Trying to get this. It's just a string. Ooh, bring it down. That's your like second set of tools. A drill bit, and isn't that like for drilling wood there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all I can hold. There's two nails down there. Oh, look at somebody's left a nightstand drawer sitting there. I don't know how on earth did that get out here. Oh, I got a screwdriver. A little baby screwdriver. I'm getting so hot. I hit my wall. I think I have to stop. You got something? Looks like another piece of a big block. Not Bunny thinks she has something good. Oh my God.
There's a trailer hitch. Yeah, I think
I don't have my gloves on. Let's see that baby. Yeah, it is. And it's orange. It's probably U-Haul. Good one. Is the truck unlocked?
No, but
I gotta get in the shade. Look, surface fine. Wire and a squished. Oh, that's not a socket. It's got something else in it. I thought I would throw it back in to rinse it off. What I got? It's not master, that's the stronger kind. Can you read that? Is it all rubbed off? Looked like a good tough lock, but apparently it wasn't. Alright, since I got something, get one more throw. Somebody just pulled up behind us. What they're here for. It's not the canal police.
So I became a magnet fisherman.
Did you get it back?
No.
No? Phones are hard to get.
Have you ever found anything?
I mean, nothing spectacular today. Got like, you know, a flashlight. Somebody's been here because there's stuff everywhere. Oh, we've been out here a while, so we were just packing it in.
I threw mine for almost an hour.
Yeah.
And I came back with a couple of nails and a piece of wire.
Yeah, I know.
What kind of magnet did you have?
Harbor Freight, 200 pound.
Yeah. If you want to do it for real, then you get one online. I mean, they're kind of pricey, but
Centurion and Brute.
yeah, we use a Centurion 1,400 pound clamp. I mean, these will pull in a shopping cart.
Yeah. And bicycles.
And bicycles we get.
Wow.
I found a sword one time.
You know, they figure they throw it in the water.
Yeah.
It's good forever. You know, it'll never show up again, but they empty the canal and clean it.
10 years.
Yeah.
On a rotating basis.
Yeah.
I was just thinking about, gosh, we should look on schedule and see where they're going to be cleaning.
Go in right before they clean it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And they drain it and you can see everything. And they scoop it out with bulldozers.
Right after they had done it, and it was.
There's
just
like nothing left.
pristine.
Talk to the guys that run the fish nets that are catching the fish.
Oh yeah.
And he says, man, there's all kinds of stuff going on in the canal.
Check us out on YouTube. You want to be on?
Yeah, sure.
What's your name?
Hi. I just driving by saw these gals and I'm like, what the heck's going on? And they're magnet fishing. Unfortunately, I had to do that myself to find my glasses one time.
And your phone.
And my phone, yeah, that was so much fun. Treasures hunting.
Gals Outwest Treasure Hunting.
All right, cool.
Because we metal detect and stuff too. Yeah. All right. Here's everything we got today. So there's a bunch of nails and smaller scrap. We got carts of locks, security tag, +1 gadget, toothbrush, screwdriver, this 2-piece like phone wallet thing, all of our cans, trash. There we go. Good fishing lure. These aren't, but trash and strings. Here's the tools, drill bit, pliers, like a wood tool thing, part of a hitch. This is his belt. This thing like might be off a purse. And a poker chip. This thing I think is part of a knife. I'm gonna try to wash this off to see what happens. And bits of pipes and whatnot. Muffler. Pretty good day. Couple of hours out there. It was very hot. Anyway, hope you enjoy seeing the magnet fishing video. I don't know when the next one will be because it's going to be 107 this week, so we'll see if we can work something out. Thanks for watching.